Yeah, Manisha Kumari. Shamili, I think I gave you time at 6:40 or what? Maybe I'm running short, delayed now. Shamili, what is the time I gave you? Manisha Kumari, please unmute yourself. Manisha Kumari. Good. Can you speak now? No. Hello, speak.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Fine. Very good. Please tell about yourself.
Sir, my name is Manisha Kumari. I am from Patna, Bihar. I have completed my post-graduation from Indira Gandhi National Open University. I have completed my bachelor's in commerce from Patna Women's College. Then I have completed my 12th in commerce from Notre Dame Academy, Patna. And about my 12th, I've completed it from Baldwin Academy, Patna itself. Then talking about my family consists of 5 members. My father is a government employee and my mother is a homemaker. I have an elder sister. She is an assistant manager in Canada Bank and an elder brother who works in a private firm.
Okay, good. So the original degree is Bachelor in Commerce, no?
Yes, sir.
So what? And in the post graduation, what did you study?
M.Com, sir, commerce.
M.Com. Which year did you complete it?
So last year completed, but the results are still awaited.
Very good. Bihar, they declare results delayedly, na? Possibly. Maybe that is the reason. It doesn't matter. How many marks are you expecting?
60 above.
60
above.
60% and 60%
Yes,
and above. Because I think in the advertisement they have asked for people with above 60% marks, na?
Yes, a minimum criteria is for 60%.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Now, please tell me, what do you understand by KYC and how KYC formalities are complied with by banks?
So KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It is done to know the customer because in recent year there is a lot of fraud cases, and also bank wants to know who the person is opening account, from where he belongs. That's why KYC is introduced. But I don't know about the procedure. I have to read.
Say KYC is Know Your Customer, and this is done in order to ensure the identity and bona fide of the customer. This is done by asking for any document like say passport, then driving license, Aadhaar card, then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, voter ID card, likewise a PAN card. These documents for taken for address proof and also for identification.
Okay.
And this is done in order to avoid say Benami transactions and also to avoid money laundering. What is money laundering? Money laundering means making black money into white money.
Yes.
What is black money? Black money is a money over which income tax has not been paid and the money has been received through illegal means like corruption. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what are the things you have studied for this interview? Manisha Kumari.
Yes, sir. I have read about the NBFC, then RBI and its functions, then National Payment Corporation of India. I have read about that. Then mm, I have read about something about Federal Bank and ratios.
Okay, right. I will ask only from there and let me see how you are answering. Can you tell me what are the mode by which the ATMs of banks are connected? What is the mode by which ATMs are interconnected?
National Financial Switch.
Very good. Who is whose platform is this?
It's a National Payment Corporation of India.
Can you tell me who is the chairman of National Payment Corporation of India?
Yes, sir. Dilip Apse.
ASBE. Dilip ASBE. Very good. Can you tell me what are the other platforms of NPCI?
Yes, sir. Bharat Bill Payment System, Aadhaar-based, Aadhaar-enabled payment services, then check truncation system, and check truncation, national clearing,
National Automated Clearing House.
Yes, a national automated clearing system and
clearing house.
UPI.
UPI. Most important is UPI.
Yes, sir.
First and foremost is UPI, then National NACH, then comes this National Financial Switch, then Bharat Bill Pay, and then Aadhaar enabled payment system and all that. Good, you told nicely. Can you tell me what are the functions of Reserve Bank of India?
Yes, sir. There are many functions of Reserve Bank of India. For example, first is it is banker to the government. It gives suggestions to the government on monetary policy. Then the second function is it issues currency. Then the third function is it acts as a custodian of foreign exchange. Then the fourth is it is banker to the banker, and fifth one is it is lender to the last resort.
See, actually, custodian of foreign exchange, or you can also call controller of foreign exchange.
Okay, sir.
Normally, we briefly tell like this. First one is bankers to bank.
Yes, sir.
Bankers to government, note issuing authority, controller of foreign exchange, then monetary policy controlling authority.
Okay.
Can you tell me a few details about monetary policy committee?
Yes, sir. Monetary Policy Committee is a committee established by the Reserve Bank of India, in which six members meet for deciding the repo rate, statutory liquidity ratio, and other ratios for controlling the supply of money, as well as for controlling the inflation, and for taking other major decisions relating to economy.
Good. Good. When was the latest Monetary Policy Committee meeting held?
So I'm not sure, but I think in last April.
June 8th. June 8th. Every 2 months it is conducted. Last one was April 8th when the new facility was also introduced, whereas June 8th is the date on which this repo rate was revised by 0.5%. What is the present repo rate?
So 4.75.
No. I have been giving all the classes, I have been telling in all the places. It is now 4.90. I am just posting in our group also. A repo rate is now 4.90%. Then there is one facility known as standing deposit facility. What is
Yes.
the interest rate for that?
So 3.75.
No. It is now 4.65 because when the repo rate rises, this will also rise.
Okay, sir. I have read it up 3.75 earlier. I think
No,
in April.
April, correct. Now it has been revised from June 8th. From June 8th, the repo rate is 4.90. Standing deposit facility is 4.65. Then reverse repo, that has not changed. Reverse repo is 3.35%. What is the present bank rate? That also you may not know because you have not read it. It is now 5.15%. Then MSF rate now is also 5.15%. Understand?
Yes, sir.
What is the present CRR?
Uh,
4.5%. What is the present SLR?
So 18%.
Very good. Excellent. Now, what is your father?
Sir, he is a government employee. He works in labor and resource department, Bihar.
No, you have to tell it fully because
Okay.
simply if you say government employee, we don't know. Central government, state government, or foreign government. So
Okay.
you should specifically tell that. Okay.
Okay.
What is your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Homemaker. Good, good, good. How many siblings you have? You said one.
So two, one elder brother and elder sister.
Acha, acha. Elder sister is working in Canara Bank.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Canara Bank headquarters, where is it?
Sub bank. No.
It is in
Kerala.
Bengaluru, Karnataka. Bengaluru in Karnataka. Good, good, good. Excellent. You are basically from which state?
So Patna, Bihar.
Bihar, Patna. Acha, acha,
Yes,
acha.
sir.
Who is the chief minister of your state?
So Nitish Kumar, Mr. Nitish Kumar.
Who is the governor of your place?
So Fagu Chauhan, Mr. Fagu Chauhan.
Very good. What do you know about Mrs. Draupadi Murmu?
Okay. So she belongs to a tribal caste. She has been originally she is from Odisha. Um, she in her initial stage she was a teacher. Then she joined BJP, and from there she at a point of time, no, I definitely don't know the year, but she was
No.
also the governor of Jharkhand,
Hmm.
and now she is a candidate for the presidential election.
This see when you don't know the year, you don't have to say I don't know the year. Simply
Okay,
say she was governor of Jharkhand
okay, sir.
and she has been rendering service in social service, participating in social service, and also for tribal development.
Yes,
Actually, she is from Odisha. You told all these points
yes,
correctly. And of course, this you don't have to tell. The news about that is the village in from which she is, her native village, there is no power even till today, no power connection. But now only they are laying electricity lines for bringing power to that village.
okay,
And incidentally, she is wife of Bank of India officer who is no more.
okay,
These are extra information which you don't have to tell.
okay.
Good. What do you know about Federal Bank?
Federal Bank. Federal Bank is one of the best private banks in India, with a capital with equity capital of 399 crore. Then it earns quite well profit for the last year, that is 541 crore. Its headquarters is in Aluva, Kerala, and MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan.
Tell about some awards they have received recently. Tell about their loan products, deposit products, if any you know, or you can tell about number of branches, number of ATMs.
Okay, sir. I have learned about the number of branches. Total number of branches is 1282. Number of ATM and cash recycler is 1885. Then
yeah, that's all. Why I suggest you write down these points in about 10-15 lines, some important information, and memorize that so that you can tell it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, did you go through the glossary given in that? Acha, you said 1,800, including ATMs and cash recyclers. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Because ATM 1,386,
yes,
number of branches 1,300 banking outlets.
500 and cash recyclers.
Correct. Exactly. Good. Under glossary, what are the terms you have studied?
Sir, I have read only infinity small.
Pardon?
Sir, I have read only the infinity small PDF.
Acha, you have read only that one. Doesn't
Yes.
matter. You should go through the glossary given in Federal Bank website also. It will be helpful for you. What is mortgage?
So mortgage is a process in which something is put as a collateral to against loan. For example, I'll be taking a home loan. Then I will mortgaging its paper to the bank.
Mortgage is giving how an immovable property as security.
Yes, sir. Immobile property as a security.
Good. You told correctly. What is money market? This you might not have studied. Please go through that afterwards. Study, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, now I will ask simple questions. Please tell me in debit card, how many digits are there?
Sir, 12.
No.
Sorry, sir, 16. Oh.
Yeah. What do you understand by CVV? You know, card verification value.
Yes, sir. It is very
Card verification value. Which bank do you have an account?
So Syndicate Bank.
Syndicate Bank. Now, Syndicate Bank
Has merged with Canara Bank.
So you should tell Canara Bank only.
Okay.
You should not tell Syndicate Bank. Now, no longer Syndicate Bank is there. You should tell I have account with Canara Bank.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Yes, what is IFSC code? IFSC.
Yes, sir. It stands for International Financial Service Code. So it consists of 11. Indian Financial Service Code. It consists of 11 digits. The first 4 character represents the name of the branch. Then the 5th character is 0, and the next 6 characters represent bank branch.
What did you say for expansion for IFSC?
The Indian Financial Service Code.
No, Indian Financial System Code.
System code.
Indian Financial System Code is a unique 11-digit alphanumeric code that is used for online fund transfer transactions done via NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. What is IMPS?
immediate payment services. It was established in the year 2010. Just like the RTGS and NEFT, it is used for immediate transfer of money. It is available 24 into 7.
Super,
Uh,
good. You know it. Very good. Good. You told nicely. Now, please tell me, why should we give preference to you in selection for this junior manager post? Why you should be given preference?
So, I come from a commerce background. That will be helpful in banking business.
Mm,
I'll be able to learn the new things of the bank
mm,
more quickly than other fellow candidates,
mm,
and I'm able to I'm able to work in a pressure situation.
mm,
Uh,
mm.
yes, sir.
I'm good in time management.
Good in
I'm a quick learner.
time
I
management.
possess problem solving skills, and I am a hard working person.
Okay, sir.
You can tell this. But only one good thing, Manisha Kumari, with you is that you are good in communicating in English, which is not the normal case for other Biharis. Other Bihar candidates, they lack the ability to communicate well, whereas you are able to do well. That is one plus point. But why have you not prepared fully about? I have been telling you glossary, everything you must read. Why have you not prepared fully well? Understand?
Yes,
Uh, please read once again thoroughly, so that before the interview, you'll be confident to face the interview board. Okay.
yes,
Now, any doubts you are having in your mind now? I have not asked about ratio analysis, but
yes,
ratio, there are so many tough things they can ask you. Like,
yes,
what is debt service coverage ratio? What is quick ratio? What is cash ratio? So many things. So please revise about them also, so that next time when we meet, I will ask.
yes, sir. I have to read it
Yeah.
thoroughly.
Yeah. But this is what is happening in interview. Suddenly, say, when we come across questions which we don't know, our mood, our happiness comes down, and we are not able to give our full. It should not be
Yes,
so. Do not worry about not answering one or two questions. There are so many candidates who have been recruited. They were asked 16 questions, out of which they answered only 12 correctly. They are recruited, no problem. Understand?
yes, sir.
Much depends on, supposing they give weightage for written tests, they give weightage for robotic, they will take those things also into account and then decide. We don't know what is the process, but my experience has been, people who are talking well in English, they are selected. But
Okay.
at the same time, you must answer questions also, a majority questions correctly. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Are you feeling very sad today?
No, sir. I'm very nervous because this is for the first time I have given anything like that mock interview.
Acha, acha.
I'm
No,
very nervous.
but in GDs, you are normally very participative, very active, na?
Yes, sir.
But now, when it comes to one, probably you are feeling little nervous. This you can
Yes,
overcome by practice. Don't worry.
yes, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, Shamili. Hello, Shamili, are you there? Shamili, Shamili, Shamili has not switched on her mic, it seems. It's okay. Somebody is coming now. Yeah, 1 minute. Acha, Manisha, Manisha, is it okay to use this in our YouTube, or you have some reservations?
No, no, sir. You can do it.
Very good. Thank you. You answered majority questions correctly, but some questions you could not answer. That's it. But
Yes,
yeah, read the Infinite Small and also Bankers Adda. Also, there is one grade up. Plus, Federal Bank, about Federal Bank, you must write 10-15 sentences.
Okay.
That will be better. Syamili, are you there online? She is not. User, what is your name, please? User. What is your name?
Hello.
Yes, please. What is your name?
Yes, sir. I'm Marina.
Marina. Have I given time at 6:40 or what time?
40.
6:40, right. Now I will close this video because this will come to an end now. I will close this. I will again come on Zoom. You please log in. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'll log in again.
Yeah. Manisha, if you want, you can also come and observe the interview. Please come. Thank you.